Hello and welcome to this video where we'll go into streamlit and working with object-oriented programming in streamlit. And in this way we can organize our code in a better way, making it more modular and making it possible to reuse code in a more efficient way than before. And this is in order for us to be able to build larger and larger applications. For example, larger dashboard applications. So first we'll go into the browser. So here we're in the browser, and you can see in the lecture note here. Right now I don't have the video because this is the one I'm recording, and I will put this here later on so that you can watch it. However, first you see here in this lecture we're in streamlit dashboard OOP. So we go into the dataset, and it's in Kaggle, and this is the data for Olympic dataset. So basically just download this one, and it constitutes of two files, one or two big files. There's one that is athletes summer games, and there's another one that is athletes winter games. So the one we will use in this lecture, in this video, is the summer games. However, I recommend that you make a dashboard with both of them together in order to scale this up, and also in order for you to be more certain with the things that I teach. Yes, and moving on to Visual Studio Code. So here in Visual Studio Code I have downloaded this CSV file. I've just put in Athlete Summer Games here. Let me activate the virtual environment also. And bin activate like this. And I will create object code eda.ipb. So I create this file. Save it, change the kernel to this virtual environment. So basically I will do exploring Olympic Games dataset, and also this EDA is very simplified so that you're encouraged to make a more extensive, in-depth exploratory data analysis. So first of all we'll import pandas as PD. And then we'll do df summer equals pd read csv. And we'll read in, I'll go into data slash athletes athlete summer games .csv. df summer like this. Yes, first time it takes a little bit of time. Let's see what the error is. No such file or directory, data slash athletes underscore summer games.csv. Let me see, no such file. Summer athletes. It should exist. Data slash athletes. Let me see where. Let me just copy this name. Sorry. And just copy this name here. Say this. This. Run. Oh, not found. Strange. Oh, right. The EDA is inside of the data folder. That is a mistake. So I'll just move this outside. Move. Yes, and now it should work. Perfect. And also I will change here to index call equals 0. Index call equals 0. Let's see. Cannot contain assignment. Index call equals 0. Oh, okay. Dot. Comma. Like this. Okay, so basically I have the summer. I'll take that head here. Now take df summer.shape. Oh, we see there's 230,000 something rows, and then we'll check here a little bit that we see name, sex, age, team, NOC is the country code we can see here, which type of games, when the game is, and which city the game is in, what season, etc. And if they have gotten medal or not. Here is gold, and if they haven't gotten medal, it's none, right? So now we start to understand our dataset a little bit. So let's try to find out some Swedish data. So it's df_summer.query NOC equals to Swede, like this. And here we get all the Swedish ones. So we can do df_Swede equals to this, df_Swede. And if we want to get the medals, we do df_Swede, or let's do like this, df_Swede, and medal, and we only want the not now, right? So that means we get true and false. So all the trues are not a number. So that is it has a value, which means that yes, it is a medal. So then we can filter on this one. We filter all the rows which has medals. So then we can see here a lot of athletes with the rows, and we see medals here. So great, and then we can assign it to df_Swede medals equals to this. And let me run this one, df_Swede medals. And here we have 1142 rows. We'll just do a head here, so I don't need to run all of them. So df_summer, let me pick out, let me check which countries have the most medals, and see if we can sort them and find out some statistics about the total amount of medals. So basically here, df_summer, we can find out the medal, and we can do not so that we get true or false. And based on this one, I can pick out, let's see, df_summer. I can pick out, I filter out all those that have medals. So these are all the rows which have medals. So we have 36,000 something instead of, what was it, 300,000 or 200,000 something. So now I can also do, I want to find out each countries, right? And the total number of medals. So then I do a group by. I do a group by on knock. Then we have a group by object. And from this group by object, we need to pick out the medal. And we do, then it's a series, and then we do count on this one. So basically now we see for NOC, we see each countries with the total number of medals. And then we just do a sorting. So sort values of ascending equals to false, so that we get the top to bottom, right? So here we can also check out to see where, if we wanted to find the Swedish ones also, we can have df_Swede medals, and we can have length of that. And similarly, you can do similar stuff to get out the gold medals, bronze medals, and silver medals. And here I can find out, so df_Swede medals. So this is the total amount of Swedish medals, right? I can find out the athletes, and the group by, and the name, and I find the medal, and the count. So then we get each name, and And we can sort them, sort values, ascending equals to false. And actually, I think this is 2020, right? There's some data that is missing in this data set because there's an athlete called Sara Sjöström, which has had a lot of medals. I'm not sure. I think the data is not updated, so she's not in this list here. Or we can do like this: iloc colon 10. So we see 10 of them. I think she has more than 5. Let's say 15. Yeah, she's still not here. Yeah, I think there's some missing data here, but no matter, this is the data set that we have to work with. I'm kind of happy with this EDA. We could, of course, do much more to understand it. We could take out a lot of statistics, take out the ages and what different ages for different sports, etc. There's a lot to find out. You can see how many athletes that have been active in different sexes. So you can see throughout the time, maybe there were more male before and now maybe it's more even. I don't know. This is something that you can investigate. So I encourage you to continue with the EDA. But for me, I'm satisfied and we'll move on to the dashboard.